Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 10 rad or cool facts about crested geckos. Before we get into this video, if you guys do like this video, make sure you drop a like, comment down below, hit that subscribe button. We're 1 subscriber away from 80 subscribers, guys. This is just absolutely mind-blowing. My brain is blown. Yes, I am reading off script, so I do not forget any of the facts. Okay, number 1, crested geckos have the nickname of the eyelashed gecko. Due to the ridges, I'll pop a picture of the crested gecko eye right up here because it's gonna, guys can see that picture, they look like they have eyelashes due to the ridges along their eyes, along the top of their eye, like that picture. They have a prehensile tail, so I'll pop a picture of the tail right here. This will help if they were to like fall off a branch, say, as you guys have seen with Coco, if they can hang off of branches. So at the end of that tail, they have little hairs that will grab onto an impervious surface. They can grab onto it like that, and they can hang from their tail. So I think that's really cool, and as you guys saw in that picture, their tails, I don't know if you've ever felt a crested gecko tail, it feels kind of waxy. This helps them so that they can hold on to like an impervious surface. No two crested geckos look alike, none. They can look similar, but they're not the exact same. I don't know if you guys know this, but there is so much different morphs, colors, variations, personality. Even if they look the same, there's so much different personalities of a crested gecko, which I think is really cool. They do not have eyelids, so you may be asking, if they don't have eyelids, then how do they wet their eyes, keep their eyes from drying out? So what they'll do is they'll take their tongue, I'll pop a picture right here of a crested gecko licking his eye. They take their tongue and they lick their eye to help moisten their eyes. This is how they keep their eyes moist and from drying out, because if their eyes dry out, well then that's not good. That's like if you were like this, no blinking, you start to cry and your eyes would dry out. Number 5, their toe pads. I'll pop a picture of their toe pads right here. They have tiny rows of hairs that grab and hold on to perfections on surfaces. They can even climb glass, they could climb plastic. It will hold on to the imperfections. So say there's a little scratch in the glass, that toe pad, those little hairs would grab onto that and they would stick and be able to walk it up. I know, it's crazy. Number 6. Crested geckos come from New Caledonia, and New Caledonia is a group of islands off Australia. Pop a picture of what the trees and stuff in New Caledonia look like and what their environment in New Caledonia looks like right here. But yeah, it's pretty cool, and that's why in New Caledonia we try to replicate. If you've ever watched like a documentary in New Caledonia, that's why we try to replicate the best we can by looking at New Caledonia. That's why we replicate our geckos' habitats from. They were thought to be extinct until 150 years ago is when they rediscovered them. So in 1944, they were like, I think this thing's extinct, right? So they were talking about extinction and all that stuff. And then the scientist was in his lab, and he saw a crested gecko in his lab, and he was like, what? And it was a male and a female. They started breeding, had eggs, blah, blah, blah. Long story short, now they're back on track. And that was 150 years ago. We just discovered them back again. That's crazy how they're already in the pet trade after 150 years. And also I want to add that now they're one of the most popular pets. The 2 most popular pets right now for lizards in the pet trade are leopard geckos, crested geckos, and bearded dragons. Bearded dragons should not be on there, but I'll get to that when I do my unpopular pet opinion video. But they can live up to 20 to 25 years in captivity. That's just crazy to me. Same with leopard geckos. They can live 20 to 20 years in captivity. That's absolutely crazy, guys, because if you think about that, dogs and cats only live maybe 10 years max. And reptiles can live 10 to 20 years in captivity. 25 even. The oldest crested gecko was like 35 years old. That's crazy, guys. And there's over 100 different types of morphs of crested geckos. That's just absolutely crazy to me. And the last fact, the rarest morph, I don't even know if I'm going to find a picture, but if I do, I'll pop a picture right over my face now, is called the moon glow. There's the moon glow, which I'll pop right over my face. And then there's also, and I'll pop some other rare morphs like right here and right here. Those are some other rare crested gecko morphs, but the moon glow is the only one I could really find and determine it was rare. I know there's other ones out there, that's why I said etc. But I just didn't know to make sure. I wanted to make sure. Also, a bonus fact: if you guys are scared of insects, crested geckos they can eat paste. This little paste, it's Pangea and Rapashi. They can eat that little paste. I'll pop my Crested Gecko care guide video right up here, so you guys can go check that out. And I'll also pop up my Crested Gecko care guide video, and then I'll pop up my Crested Gecko enclosure video right there, and also should you go bioactive with your animals right here. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, drop a like. If you guys do like my new end screen, definitely comment down below if you like my new end screen. I might be doing an intro. Let me know if I should do an intro or an outro, but let me know if you do like my end screen. If you guys did enjoy, drop a like, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you do your research. Peace!